The world of Aquaterra is in danger. Years of overusing groundwater have dried up rivers, ruined crops, and left towns struggling for survival. You are the guardian of the wells, chosen by ancient water spirits to restore balance. Your task is to save the last groundwater reserves and bring life back to the land.
Oh, young one, I'm glad you're here. The groundwater is polluted, and it's making me very sick.
Polluted? What's causing the contamination?
Chemicals from the nearby fields have seeped into the water. My crops are failing, and I don't know how much longer I can manage.
I'll take care of this. I'll find out how to clean up the contamination and make sure the water is safe again.
Thank you so much. We're really struggling here. Please, act quickly for everyone's sake.
Count on me. I'll fix this and restore your farm. Clean water will be back, and your farm will thrive once more.
Thank you so much. We need clean water desperately. Please, hurry and help us.
Absolutely. I won't rest until this is sorted out, I promise. Clean water is on the way.
Groundwater management involves regulating the extraction, use, and conservation of groundwater resources to ensure their sustainable use. This includes policies for controlled extraction, encouraging rainwater harvesting, and rejuvenating traditional water bodies to recharge aquifers. An aquifer is an underground layer of water-bearing rock or sediments that can store and transmit water. Aquifers are crucial sources of groundwater, supplying water for drinking, irrigation, and industrial use.
We are addressing problem statement ID 1698, which focuses on the development of an educational game that will be available on both web and mobile platforms. Our theme is Smart Education and we fall under the software category. We're team Litt and our team ID is 12212. Introducing Jalveer Gatha, the Tale of the Water Hero, our immersive educational game focused on groundwater conservation. Our approach combines engaging sound design, captivating graphics, and a compelling storyline to create a rich learning experience. The game begins with an epic introduction to the main character, which helps draw players in and pique their interest. Instead of traditional grading, we use a simulation-based system to assess performance interactively. Players will engage with mini-games throughout the experience, keeping them entertained while learning. At the end, an MCQ system provides a precise evaluation of their understanding. A strong storyline is crucial for engagement, and our scenario-based simulations allow users to make decisions that impact groundwater. This not only reinforces their knowledge but also illustrates real-world consequences. To keep the gameplay fresh, we've integrated mini puzzles that challenges players in effective ways. We've implemented a leaderboard system that fosters friendly competition and motivates players to improve their scores. Additionally, our smart NPC chatbot enhances the experience by engaging players in informative conversations, offering insights and guidance throughout the game. This combination of elements ensures that Jalveer Gatha is not just an educational but also fun and engaging, making it an effective tool for learning about groundwater conservation.
The technical approach that we are using for building our complete solution is we are using Unity for the game development part. For the authentication system, we are using Firebase. For the runtime communication between our game and the backend, we are using Socket.io. For the storage of the data of the players, the scores, and the level data, we are using MongoDB database. Also, the MongoDB database is responsible for the generation of our leaderboard. The smart NPC that we are integrating in our game is based on the Rasa chatbot framework, which will generate a response based on the player's question. This response will then be sent to 11 Labs API, which will generate an audio file, which will then be used for the NPC's response in our game. This is the flow that we are using for the introductory levels of our game.
This slide focuses on feasibility and viability. We use Unity for cross-platform development, allowing us to create the game from a single code base. Operationally, our setup with Unity, Node.js, MongoDB, Firebase, and GCP works well together. The game is also scalable, meaning it can handle more users and data as we grow, and it's cost-effective with free tiers available for many of our services. We focus on optimizing performance for both web and mobile devices to tackle challenges like balancing education and entertainment and ensuring accurate scores. We'll use strategies like ongoing development, working with experts for content accuracy, and server-side checks to prevent cheating. This slide highlights the impact and benefits of our groundwater conservation initiative. We raise awareness through gamification, promote sustainable developmental goals, and empower future leaders while catalyzing public policy engagement. Our scalable approach fosters digital literacy among children, teaching them to apply simulations to real life and advocate for environmental policies. Ultimately, we're driving behavioral change towards sustainable water practices and improving agricultural water use efficiency. Lastly, these are the references that we've used for our research and development.